Look, what a big tree. Hello friends. Welcome to English with Laira and Emma. Today we talk about trees. Let's learn. Oh Emma, look at that tree. Yes Laira. What a big tree. The tree is so green. Yes, the leaves are green. Do you see the branches? Yes, the branches are high. What is on the tree? Look, there are fruits on the tree. Why do we need trees? Trees give us many things. What do trees give us? Trees give us oxygen. Oxygen for what? Oxygen for breathing. Yes, trees are very important. Trees give us shade. Shade for what? Shade from the sun. Hot sun. Trees also give us fruit. Yes, apple, banana, orange. Now it's quiz time. Listen carefully and choose the correct answer. And don't forget to tell us your answer in the comments. Let's start.
What color are the leaves?
3, 2, 1!
Trees give us what?
3, 2, 1!
Trees give us blank from the sun.
3, 2, 1!
Great job. Trees are important. Plant a tree. Save a tree. Comment, do you like trees? Subscribe for more English. See you next time.